Okay, so for today we are going to draw the dolphin. Okay, we will draw the dolphin. So first step is you have to create, see from here na, just draw the shape like this. Okay, shape like this, and from here just draw the big long beak. Okay, penguin have long beak. From here just draw the shape like this and a triangle shape here like this, then a circle here and inside that one circle. Okay, now what you have to do, from here just make the curved line. Okay, a curved line, and then draw the back side like this, and from here a round shape and shape like this. Then for this much. Okay, and then what you have to do, from here na, just make the shape like this and draw the leg like this and join this. Then from here another leg like this and join this. Okay, and here we have to draw the tail. Okay, we'll draw the tail like this, and now we will draw the triangle shape, one here, one line here and one line here. This, and this one also same, here, here. Then shape like this. Your dolphin is over. If you want, you can draw the one hand here like this. Okay, you can draw it like this. If just increase this a little bit, because the penguin have long fins like hand. Okay, so now what you have to do, just we will now start coloring. Okay, first just take your deep yellow. Okay, just take your deep yellow and do the deep yellow here. Okay, one thing we have forgotten, just draw the shape here like this, ear. Okay, and then do the deep yellow here and do the deep yellow here little bit. And then what you have to do, just take your scarlet. Okay, just take your scarlet and do some dots here and do some dots here. Okay, and do some dots here also. Then what you have to do, just with the deep yellow, okay, the deep yellow or medium yellow, we will blend this. Okay, we will blend this properly. Okay, and then with the pencil, okay, with the pencil just we will shade it. Just hold your pencil from the back side. Okay, from the back side, and then just shade it. and with the finger just blend it. Okay, finger just blend it properly, and then take your eraser, tab in the middle. Okay, middle of that penguin, just tab it, and then again mix it. Then shade the leg properly with the pencil. Okay, then blend it again, shade this one also. You can use cotton bud also for blending. Okay, and use tape 2B. Okay, for blending. Now just take your glass marker, or you can do sketch pen or pencil color, whatever you want you can do it. But if you do with glass marker, it will be very perfect. Or you can use sketch pen also. It should be proper black. Okay, don't use 10B for doing this. So it's a very small thing, that's why I'm doing with glass marker. Just fill it. Okay, and leave a line here, very thin white page. Okay, very thin line, and then use the normal color to fill this. It will fill fast than glass mark. Okay, if you want you can proper black you will get. Okay, from this you will get the proper black. And then you can do it here also. You can fold with glass mark also, it's your wish. So just because I want to do complete it fast, that's why I'm using color. And see, it's a very narrow thing, so that's why I'm using the glass marker again. Now your penguin is ready. Okay, and then just give the shadow. Okay, like this, and then blend it with the finger or tissue paper or whatever you want. Okay, thank you.